Sarwat Gilani is considered one of the best actresses in the Pakistani drama and film industry. On the other hand, she is often seen hosting programs. Her curly hair became her mark in the showbiz industry. And while she is also counted among the top actresses in Pakistan and in the list of highest paid actresses. On the other hand, if we talk about Sharmila Farooqi, she is an important leader of the Pakistan People's Party. And now she's 43 years old. While she got married Hashim Riaz Sheikh a few years ago with great fanfare. And by the grace of God, she is now the mother of a son. But in today's article, we will see that when Sarwat Gilani and Sharmila Farooqi wore the same dress designed by designer Rizwan Beg at the wedding event, it became difficult to decide who looked the best. But both the actresses looked very cute. Let us tell you here that Sharmila Farooqi has acted in the play Panquan Mozam. In the comment section below, don't forget to tell us, do you like Sarwat Gilani or Sharmila Farooqi in the same dress? Thanks.